Pitco's Solstice Gas Millivolt fryer is used in a wide variety of commercial kitchens. If you need to restart the fryer or the pilot goes out, you'll need to light the pilot manually. We'll show you how to do the job properly. Let's get started. The gas valve has 3 positions: on, off, and pilot. For this procedure, start by turning the gas valve to the pilot position. Push the valve's button and hold it for about 15 to 30 seconds. Continue holding the gas valve's button while using a barbecue lighter to light the pilot. You should see a blue flame appear. Once you're done lighting the pilot, continue holding the gas valve button for another 15 seconds. Conclude this procedure by turning the gas valve dial to the on position. Make sure to check the pilot to see if there's a larger blue flame. Now, adjust the thermostat to the proper cooking temperature. That's how you do it. For more preventative maintenance tips, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit partstown.com.